In this module, you will learn about the human skeletal system. Bones form a framework to give a shape to our body. This framework is called the skeleton.
The human skeleton is made up of 206 bones. Bones individually are rigid, but skeleton as a whole is quite flexible and allows various kinds of movement in our body. The human skeletal system performs many important functions, like it covers and protects the soft and delicate internal organs of the body from any external injuries. It gives body shape and form. Along with muscles, it also helps the movement of the body. The human skeleton consists of the following major parts: skull, backbone, rib cage, and limbs.
How do we know what shape the human skeleton has? How do we know the shapes of the different bones in the body? Well, we can know the shape and number of bones in some parts of our body by feeling them. One better way in which we can know about the shape of the human skeleton is by looking at the X-ray images of the human body.
X-rays are able to pass through the tissues but not through the bones. Today, X-rays are used in medicine to diagnose fractures.
The ribs join the chest bone and the backbone together to form a box. This is called the rib cage. Some important internal organs of our body, like the heart and lungs, are well protected inside the rib cage. The backbone is made of many small bones. The rib cage is joined to these bones.
Spine or backbone consists of 24 separate, differently shaped bones attached to a triangular curved bone at the bottom. Our spine starts from the neck and continues throughout our back and helps us in bending. Backbone surrounds and protects our spinal cord. You can feel your ribs by running your fingers across the chest.
Look closely at the shoulder region in the figure. You will see the two bones coming together to form the shoulder. These bones are called the shoulder bones. The pelvic bones enclose the portion of the body below the stomach. This is the part that we sit on.
Our hand is made up of 27 small bones, which in turn help in gripping and holding things. Each foot consists of 26 bones, while whole leg has 31 bones. They help in maintaining balance and weight of the body and also help in movement.
The skull, made up of series of bones, acts like a heart protective helmet for a very important part of our body, the brain.
All bones in the skull are fixed except the lower jaw. The lower jaw thus helps us to talk and chew food. Limbs are in pairs: hind limbs and forelimbs. The hind limbs are legs. They are used for walking, and forelimbs are arms. They are used to do variety of tasks.
Some other parts of the skeleton are not as hard as bones and can be bent. These are called cartilage.
Cartilage is a smooth, elastic material that covers and protects the end portion of the bones. Cartilage is also found in the joints of the bone. It covers the surface of joints, allowing bones to slide over one another, thus reducing friction and preventing damage. Cartilage is also found in some organs like ears. When a baby is born, its body is mostly made up of cartilage. It gets replaced by bones as it grows. Ligament is a tough, flexible tissue that holds two or more bones together at joints. Tendon is a tough, inelastic, fibrous tissue that attaches muscles to bones.
In this module, you learnt the following. The human skeleton is the framework of bones that gives shape to the body. The ribs join the sternum and the vertebral column to form the rib cage. The skull, which protects the brain, is made up of many fused bones. The soft part of the skeleton, called the cartilage, forms parts like the ear. At joints, the cartilage reduces friction and prevents damage.